Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If the App Store keep asking for the password to download and install the apps from the App Store, then you are at the right place to activate Touch ID or Face ID for the App Store in iOS 16 and as well as iOS 15.7. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Settings, then tap Touch ID, Face ID, and passcode on your iPhone. Here we need to put iPhone passcode. Now, enable iTunes and App Store. Here we need a Apple ID password. After putting the Apple ID password, tap OK. Here we have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then go back to settings again, screen time, content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and under required password we have to select don't required. That's it. With this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.